Hey everyone, thanks for coming in looking at this demo of Stack Overflow. It's a QA engine that was built by me, Devin Anderson, Kyle Adams, Layne Rasmussen, and Dan Conklin. So we'll start off by showing you how the registration looks. You could go and put in an email. You enter your cohort and then a password. So this is the landing page. This is where you come, or the last one was a landing page. This is where you come as soon as you log in. You're able to see all the questions and some of this other stuff. But before we get there, let's go ahead and go over to my profile. And Kyle, if you wouldn't mind talking about this a little bit.
So over there on the left is your leaderboard. We'll talk more about that later. But right now I think we're going to add a profile picture to personalize our little profile there. Make it look kind of nice, kind of sexy right there. That looks beautiful, very perfect. So we got Harlan right here, and I think that's it. So this, your name and email will show up wherever it needs to in the app, as well as your profile picture, which is a pretty nice feature.
Definitely, definitely. Thank you. So do one of you guys want to explain how All Questions works?
Yeah, so this page, obviously the All Questions, it has a search bar up top and then all the questions that everyone submitted below. So if in the search bar, if you type in any kind of keywords for a question that you're looking for, all of the questions that have that keyword will pop up at the top. And then whenever you clear that, the results go away. And then on the left side, you have the leaderboard, which is the top 5 upvote getters, because you can upvote or like a question, answer, or comment. So that shows the top 5. And then the best answers this week shows the top answers from the last 7 days that have gotten the most upvotes.
Definitely. All right. So we're here in my questions. And Layne, do you want to take this one?
Sure, yeah. We just brought the leaderboard and the best answers into this page as well. But this page is basically meant to manage your own questions. So if you click on the Add Question button, it'll take you to the question form. And you can go ahead and fill this out. The question form's cool. It allows you to add code snippet, different font styles, things like that. And you can even punch in a line of code if you want to, Devin, something simple.
Beautiful.
Sweet.
There you go.
All right, so once you submit, it'll bring you back to your question page. On my questions page, it's going to render all of your current questions. You can click into the question, you can see the current likes on the question, and clicking into the question will bring you to the question view page.
So you can also add an answer to a question if you figured it out. And
good answer.
You can go in and people can like your answer. And then you can also comment on answers if there's additional information that you want to provide. So this is where you're basically able to see your questions, see how they update. You can also go back to All Questions, review other questions that might be similar to yours, and again, use the search bar in case you need to go and find that out. The leaderboard basically finds the top 5 people. That's all answers that are upvoted. So whoever participates and helps other people out gets the highest score. And then your best answers this week involve questions that have been asked recently within the last 7 days. So that will allow you to see more relevant questions, or sorry, more relevant answers to questions regarding the current material. That's everything I have. Do you guys have anything additional?
I think that's about it.
It covers all of it.
Awesome.
And that's Slack Overflow. Thanks for tuning in.
Bye.
Catch you next time.